Hello, this is part 2. The cat survived. Maisie is sitting beside me here. Butter wouldn't melt. There she is. I don't know where the cat is, but I presume she got herself away anyway. She's not in the... I couldn't see her. So, yeah, she's got the upstairs. Right, so part 2. Shush! Part 2 of the hydrangea. So let's see how it goes now this time. No more interruptions, Maisie. Okay, so I don't think this is going to be as long as part 1, famous last words, but honestly it would be good for me to just, yeah, definitely won't be as long if she's going to continue that. Stop it! No! Okay, she's gone out. Come on, let's go. Right, I've sent her out with her toy. She might leap up at the window there, but we're just going to tolerate that. And let's get moving. Give myself a couple of minutes. All right. Using the green and blue oil pastel now to kind of explain the leaves as well as finding the edges. You know, it's good, I think, to have a couple of ways of describing things, not only to outline by the edge, but to find the shape with them by drawing as well. Like, kinda almost done, you know. I don't know if I want to do much more. Maybe Maisie had a sixth sense there that I needed to stop, and she could have been doing me a favour in her wisdom. Trigger happy with that piece of paper, aren't I? Like, I really want to use it. Now, I feel like since I put that bit in, it's a little bit dark. I mean, it's a bit too much of a contrast. Sorry, it's not dark, it's a bit bright, the opposite. I'm just going to do the other side of that pot and see if it takes me in a different direction. I should look there more than here. And I think I'll use some ultramarine ink to draw a couple of those leaves. I don't want to exclude them altogether, you see. This is the green version of that ink. It's actually meant to be a spray, but the spray doesn't work anymore, so I'm just using this stick to draw with. could be nice to do, maybe I'll just use a touch of that white ink, will I? Might be helpful in places here. And white oil pastel, be the business there maybe. Just divide up the leaf from the flower here and there. Eyes half closed, very, very dark on either side of this light. I don't know if I've captured that really. I think this grey might come in handy. This is crayon, purple crayon. And I want a darker purple. Same colour. And a darker purple might be this here. It's Maisie launching herself against the back door. Take her out for a good walk now soon. Okay, for goodness sake, I feel like I'm getting fiddly, but I don't want to stop for some reason. What is it? Is there something to be said now, or is it actually just me being kind of relentless about this and going on and on when I could stop? Let me see. There's something in the flowers there, I think, that could be described maybe differently. That kind of works. There we are. Ta-da! Okay, could be a good time to stop now maybe. Maisie's outside saying, yes, it's a good time to stop. Yes, take me for a fucking walk, she's saying. It's really annoying when people pretend they're talking like their children or their pets. I used to hate that when people do that around their children. Right, I'm going to use my non-dominant hand as a way of drawing the top of that leaf and the bottom of that one. And then I think I'll just stop there, and if I do any more, it'll be later on when I come back with a bit of a fresher. There's one thing that's revealed to me there as I did that. I thought that leaf below needs to be made darker. Like when I half close my eyes, the leaf underneath the flower is very dark, and so I'm putting some brown and green. The green was too green. The green was too green to put on its own. Although it is dark, it's kind of colourful, and so I want it to not be that colourful. So that's why I put on the brown with it. A bit more of the brown, and it's also kind of more muted, more of a yellowy green. I think I could use some crayon as well there, maybe. Crayon. about to knock the door down. So really, I guess it is. Right, not even going to look at it now. I'm going to call it a day because I need to go and sort her out. Let me